Dear people, it's Sunday, 2 February 2020. I'm always working also at Sundays. I work 7 days a day, 7 days a week. Today I'm going to make a small monument for the American soldiers who were killed 6 June 1944, the first day of the start of the liberation of Europe. I traveled many times in Normandy. I had a small camper with my wife and my dog. We stayed at the beaches there, OMAHA Beach, Sword Beach, all the beaches, the English, Canadian, but most OMAHA Beach. I met somebody there and I bought this old American soldier helmet. He had it from a farmer who found it in his field, so it was maybe 40, 50, 60 years in the ground. And I love it. It was normally, it hadn't paint. I don't know why I painted it grey. That day it was crazy, I think, because it had a nice patina. I love the form. You can see it's very eroded. It was a long time in the ground. The farmer found it at his field and I loved it. But many ideas I see in a dream, and I saw a statue, what I'm going to make today. I want to show it you. It's only the casket. The other parts is missing. It's leather and rubbish, but this is beautiful. I like this. It's almost a piece of art. I'm going to build it on this, abstract wood figure. As you know, I damage African new figures. I cut them many layers of plaster. The paint of the wall, I call it plaster. But the form I'm not happy with it. So in my dream I saw the statue already ready with the helmet. I want it to be united. It's now grey, red. But as you know, I like the plaster. I bought just 10 liters with the gamma here. They always thinking I'm making white my walls white. Girls ask, Mister, how big is your house? So I like it to show you people, viewers, watchers in the world, don't know where it survives time. Maybe one day, in the long future, my daughter sees what I'm doing, what I was doing. The title of the small monument I thought about it, I call it 6 June 1944, for those who felt and their mothers. Also the mothers. Maybe some of you, or many of you, saw the master movie Saving Private Ryan with Tom Hanks. The first 50 minutes I looked at many times. It's unbelievable how the Germans shoot the Americans like, yeah, like dogs. Like, it's terrible, terrible. So this is my homage to that soldiers, but also their mothers who get a letter then. You see in the film, there's coming to drive a car with the general and sorry man, your son killed at Omaha Beach. So yeah, I want to make that, I have that feeling, transmission of my feeling, as Tolstoy says, art is not a handicraft. It's a transmission of our deepest feelings. And the days I was at Omaha Beach, it was, if I felt, yeah, the spirits of the dead ones. And from the same man, I bought this. This is German. It's only to show to you. An expert collector said, Marco, this is an MP40 gun from 1944. It's found not far from Omaha Beach, so only God knows, yeah, who wears the helmet, who shoot with this pistol gun. In my strange fantasy, maybe the German with this gun killed this American soldier. So, yeah, this is only to show it's from the same field, the same farmer. I love this object. It's always a statue. It's because it's very long eroded, 60, 70 years in the ground. So I start. How to start? I start with the helmet. This is the figure. Let's go here and I start to fill the helmet with plaster. Yeah, I like it. I have to work. When I don't work, a day not worked is a day not lived for me. I have to do it. It's, yeah. Here we go, people. First, I do make it in one color, in a united, that is united, the helm with the figure. Then later, yeah, I'm looking for the color. What color shall I use? I'm thinking to make it an old gold color. Yeah, the helmet. Yeah. I don't sell my work. I don't want to sell it. I keep it somewhere in the museums in Germany, Belgium. I want my works to survive time. That's important for an artist, that it's placed in time. It survives time. Same with this, maybe when it's getting a beautiful work, maybe, I don't know, that's attention also on how it's getting. Is it good work, is it strong, is it powerful? Maybe I go to Normandy a few days with my wife, and I give it to a museum. Well, as a memorial of that famous day, 6 June 1944. Again, the title, for those who felt, so for those who died with the arrival with the boats at the beaches, and the Germans, they shoot them like pigs, like it's unbelievable. For those who felt, and for their mothers. No, important. I like the plaster, to work with that. I use, I think, each week a minimum 20 liters plaster. 20 liters. I call it plaster, but it's wall paint, white wall paint, but when it dries, yeah, it's like plaster, gips, Dutch gips. It's a memory to my father. He's a good sculptor, was a good sculptor, he's old now, but as a boy, 5 or 6 years, I worked in his studio, in his atelier. He made bronze figures, but he needed gips, plaster. And I had a small cup, and there was always, yeah, working with it, making small figures.